Hello everybody, this is Jimmy. I'm going to do an unboxing of this Dr. Squatch soap. I bought a bundle, a starter bundle. It is called the Fresh Bundle. You can get different bundles. You know, you can't, but when you can get a subscription sent to you every month or every few months, and you can pick and choose exactly which soaps you want. There's a big variety there. But for the bundles, you're locked in. And you get the Fresh Bundle, or I forgot. Who knows, could have been a jungle bundle. But anyway, I picked these out because maybe my wife might want to use one of the soaps. It says genuine soap, and they said most of the soap that you purchase is not real soap. So, and at the post office, they could smell this. You know, I see two folks at the post office. Both of them said they smell it. And I told them it was soap. So there's that. I got called the Fresh Bundle. The Fresh Bundle. You got a spearmint basil scrub. You can see the color right there. Look, oops. Can they see it good? Color there. This is the Cool Fresh Aloe. And it's got a little weight to it also. Not light soap. And this is a eucalyptus Greek yogurt. See, that's that color there. And with the starter bundle, normally you might pay, I think, like $8 or $10 for this thing. This is your soap saver. It's wood and Dr. Squatch soap saver. And so with the like I said, we're gonna try this out, and we used another pretty decent brand of soap, and these turn out to be if you buy them in the subscription, I think they're like less than $5 or less than $6 a bar. But I believe I paid. Let me so I can see. I'm sorry. For the starter bundle, you pay by I don't know. But anyway, I think they're normally $6 a bar, and it says on it. It says handcrafted soap, men's daily use. The story, I'll read it to you. Let me see if it's the same story in all of them. Yes. We all have human obligations, but as men, we still desire to be wild, free, and natural, like a Sasquatch. Turn your shower up a notch and unleash your inner man with Dr. Squatch. Soap that's full of the simple and natural ingredients your body loves and deserves. Made from 5 natural oils. No harsh chemicals, handcrafted, please recycle. The ingredients of this one is saponified oils of, parentheses, olive, sustainable palm, coconut. And that one, shea butter, lye, fragrance, sea salt, and kaolin clay. So soap was initially made with lye. A lot of you folks probably know. This one has, yes, so that's what these are all made of. Oh no, they're not. They have something different. This one, that was the Cool Fresh Aloe. And so this one, the Spearmint Basil Scrub, has saponified oils of olive, sustainable palm oil, coconut, shea butter, lye, water, essential oils of basil, spearmint, and sea salt, and the kaolin clay, and the spirulina powder. Okay, sorry about that, folks. I want to see what makes this the Cool Fresh Aloe. Anyway, I don't know. So that was the Spearmint Basil Scrub, and this is eucalyptus Greek yogurt. We'll see what's in it. It's saponified oils, olive, sustainable palm, coconut, shea butter, lye, water, eucalyptus essential oil, and sea salt, kaolin clay, and Greek yogurt. So, let me open one up real quick. See what it looks like. Looks like there's a block of. Yeah. Smells good. This one, you smell the eucalyptus in it. It's just a chunk of soap. You go on there. I'm going to try it out. We'll tell you how they are. I'm sure they're going to be okay. If they're really good, outstanding, we will get a subscription for it. So we'll let you know. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye now.